I can smell it.
When was the last time you had something to drink? Because I can smell an alcoholic beverage.
These. One.
This would be a brand new uncharted territory.
Smells mini.
The willful intent to operate an aircraft while intoxicated. It feels good breathing that fresh air. Feels good. Good morning, sir.
Morning. How are you?
You doing okay?
Yeah, fine.
When was the last time you had something to drink?
Last night.
About how many hours ago?
Like 10 hours ago, at least.
How many drinks did you have?
Had a few beers. That's it.
Define a few beers.
A few beers.
Define a few beers.
Like 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
What'd you drink?
Light beer. Miller Lite.
No light?
Yeah.
Anything else?
Nope.
Okay. Who are you with?
My FO.
Okay.
Yeah.
Would you be willing to provide field sobriety with me right now?
No.
Why not?
There's no need.
Well, I can smell an odor consistent with an alcoholic beverage.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
These.
What is that?
Rose.
Do you have any fresh ones that haven't been in your mouth?
Yeah. Right in my bag.
Okay.
Thank you.
I can smell it. I can smell it.
Just nicotine. Yeah.
Smells mini.
So we already have a report that says that the possible might be some inebriation. Someone who checked it smelled alcohol, and then they reported to us.
Who would have done
I'm
that?
just telling you,
I understand.
we got the call. I have a smell of a adult beverage coming out of you. I don't know if it's coming out of your mouth or of your skin.
Do I see him?
Would you do field sobriety?
Sure.
This would be a brand new uncharted territory. Okay, so do you have any health issues? Anything? I'm sorry, you're a pilot, so you can't have any crazy health issues or any problems or anything. I notice you wear contact or you got glasses.
I do.
Okay. So what I'm just going to ask you to do.
Can we just go away from the passenger?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, so all I need you to do is the tip of my pen right here,
Yeah.
this little white tip. I'm going to move it back and forth.
Yeah.
I need you to follow it with your eyes, your eyes only. You understand that?
Yeah.
You don't have any issues doing that for me? Okay. So just pay attention with the
Yeah.
tip of this pen. Really quick, okay? Alright, for this next exercise, you're just going to take a series of heel-toe steps and count out loud. 1, 2, 3. And you do that until you get to 10. Make sure you count out loud. Make sure you go heel-toe. Don't look down. Don't put your arms out for balance.
No
Do you
problem.
have any issues with that?
No problem.
Okay. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
You may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Can you turn around and go the other way?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Alright, so this next test is called the one-legged stand. So what you're going to do is you're just going to, with your hands at your side, put your foot out in front of you like this, and you're going to hold it. You're just count out loud 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Don't start until I tell you to begin. Do you understand these instructions?
Sure.
Alright, you may begin.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000, 11, 1,000, 12, 1,000, 13, 1,000, 14, 1,000, 15, 1,000, 16, 61,000.
Okay, you can stop. Just do me a favor and just hang on really quick. Here's a mince back. I just gotta go talk with them for a minute, okay? I saw it, yeah, the nice diagnosis. I didn't really see it in the walk-in turn, but I definitely saw the nice diagnosis.
Yeah, I saw the twitch.
Yes, sir. What's going on? So, my name's Corporal Best. I'm the supervisor right now with the Airport Police Department. So, did you guys go out and have a few drinks last night?
I met here. We had a drink, yeah.
Okay. So, my problem is that right now, Sam, I'm talking to you, I don't smell anything coming off of you. I can smell a very strong odor, alcohol beverage coming off of him. And that's a huge issue, regardless in general, whether we were standing on the side of the road, you know, Toyota Camry was right next to you, but it's an even bigger issue. Because there's what, probably 100 and...
There's not that many people. It doesn't matter. That's not the point, yeah.
But the issue is, I can detect it. And so, obviously, I don't know where you guys are based out of, where the hub is, but with the FST that I just put him through, he did exhibit signs of impairment on top of the other officer as well. So, I am going to make a phone call to my supervisor, but there's a very strong probability that he's going to be taken to Chatham County Detention Center for the willful intent to operate an aircraft while intoxicated. So if you need to start making some phone calls, I would just go ahead and start doing it, okay?
Okay, so you got probably cause.
You breeze.
Commercial, you can't have any impairment on a commercial aircraft.
So my issue is I'm trained in standardized field sobriety, and you've exhibited strong signs, and even after speaking with your first pilot, like, the issue is, would you agree to a blood draw to test your blood alcohol content? No. Okay, well, the issue is when you agreed to the field sobriety, you exhibited the symptoms, and if you're refusing to a blood draw, that's DUI less safe for the willful intention to operate a commercial aircraft.
Seriously?
Yes, sir.
How did I fail? I did everything.
The signs that you exhibited during those 3 tests, I'm able to articulate based off those and the odor coming off of your person. It's very consistent with DUI.
Okay.
So what's going to happen is if you don't agree to a blood draw, it'll be DUI less safe. You'll be booked into the Chatham County Detention Center, and that's the route that we're going to have to take, unfortunately. Okay.
Even if I gave you blood, then nothing would change,
Okay.
right?
That is your willful choice that you were willing to make, but based off the calls that we received stating that people down in TSA could smell what smelled like alcohol coming off of your breath, and they're not trained. I am trained in odor and alcohol impairment.
That's fine. I mean, nothing's going to change your mind. All right, I'll get my stuff.
Do you have like a driver's license with you? Like, I know you had all your airport credentials and everything. And then, you mind just taking off the lanyard so I can just take a picture of your Southwest credentials too? Can you step over here really quick? Just place your hands behind your back for me. Alright, go ahead and wash your hands up now. I have one white male, 1095, red and black consent, refused blood.